Welcome to Okinawa's Chirami Aquarium, a marine paradise where the beauty of the underwater world comes to life. Today, we're taking you on a journey through its most fascinating exhibits, starting with the Shark Research Lab and then diving into the iconic Kuroshio Sea. Our adventure begins with the Shark Research Lab, where science meets curiosity. This exhibit is a treasure trove of fascinating shark research, featuring fossils, skeletons, and preserved specimens. It's a deep dive into the history and biology of these ancient predators. Ever wondered what a megalodon's jaw looked like up close? Or how sharks have evolved over millions of years? The Shark Research Lab answers those questions with an impressive collection of artifacts that showcase the power and elegance of these creatures. After soaking in the history, step up to this massive tank, holding 800 cubic meters of water, where 6 species of live sharks glide effortlessly. From the sleek elegance of blacktip reef sharks to the slow, deliberate movements of nurse sharks, you can observe these fascinating creatures up close. It's not just about fear or fascination. This exhibit challenges misconceptions about sharks, showing us that most species are far less threatening than we imagine. Now, we arrive at the star of the Chirami Aquarium, the Kuroshio Sea. This stunning tank holds a jaw-dropping 7,500 cubic meters of water, making it one of the largest in the world. Its massive viewing window, measuring 8.2 meters tall and 22.5 meters wide, creates the illusion that you've stepped right into the ocean itself. The Kuroshio Sea is home to over 16,000 fish from 70 species, including whale sharks, spotted eagle rays, and zebra sharks. And it's here that the Chirami Aquarium made history as the first in the world to breed whale sharks in captivity. Currently, there are 3 of these gentle giants in the tank, including Jinta, who holds the record for the longest time kept in captivity. One of the most exciting moments here is feeding time, which happens daily at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. Watching the whale sharks stand vertically to feed is nothing short of extraordinary, a display of their sheer size and gentle nature. The Kuroshio Sea is especially mesmerizing in the morning, as sunlight streams into the tank, creating a natural glow. The fish seem to come alive in the soft light, and their behavior shifts as if mimicking the rhythms of the ocean. For a unique perspective, head to the behind-the-scenes observation platform. From here, you can watch the marine life from above and even see how new species are introduced into the tank. It's a rare chance to glimpse the inner workings of this incredible facility. Planning your visit? The Chirami Aquarium is open from 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. in winter and until 8 p.m. during the summer. Tickets cost 1,800 yen for adults, 1,200 yen for high school students, 600 yen for elementary-age kids, and children under 6 get in for free. And here's a pro tip. After 4 p.m., tickets are discounted by 30%. While many visitors take a 3-hour bus ride from Naha, I opted to rent a car with Nippon Rent-A-Car, which gave me the freedom to explore the surrounding villages and enjoy the aquarium at my own pace. From the mysteries of the Shark Research Lab to the majestic Kuroshio Sea, the Chirami Aquarium is more than just a place to see marine life. It's a journey into the heart of the ocean. If you're visiting Okinawa, this is one stop you absolutely cannot miss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tip Lovers for more amazing content.